Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my Oreo Cheesecake Brownie recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started.
The ingredients are as follows: a dash of cinnamon, fine sugar, vanilla essence, 1 egg, 10 Oreos, and cream cheese. This is for the cheesecake batter. Now put in your Oreo and stir it with your spatula until well combined. Now put aside this batter and we work on the brownies. For the brownie batters, these are the ingredients: egg, fine sugar, cooking chocolate, plain flour, cocoa powder, salt, and butter. Slowly put the chocolate and mix it well. Then we put the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Grease your tray with a little bit of butter or oil and put a baking paper on it. Then put your brownies batter at the bottom of the tray. Try to put as evenly as you can. Now you put your cream cheese batter on the top of the brownie. Now evenly and gently try to ensure that it's on top of your brownie batter for the cream cheese batter. This is how it looks like once it's out of the oven and cool completely.
We have come to the end of the video. I hope you try it out and leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video from me. Bye!